This video is for all-in-one home repairs 24/7. My name is Galia, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So if by the end of this video you liked what you heard, shoot me a message back and we can chat. If not, it's okay with me. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition. The first thing I want to go over is the content. Google loves content, so make sure on your website, on the homepage, you have more than 1500 words, or maybe even more, with the correct keywords and the picture saving the right way also. The second thing I want to talk is citation. So if we come here on Google, we can see Google guaranteed ads, then we can see these ads here. But it's 50-50 nowadays because in 2020 a lot of people have ad blockers, so some people see this, some people not. And then here we have MacPack. So what is citation? It is essentially your business name, address, and the phone number listed in various directories all throughout the web. It's basically, to put it simply, yellow pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, any of those places online that allow business owners to add their business details and services within their would be considered like a directory or business directory listing. And in order to rank high on the maps here, you need to make sure that you are looking at your competitors' directory listing and seeing what they're currently being listed in, and you want to try to go out to get yourself listed in there as well. But you don't want to just stop it wherever your competition have been. You want to add a little bit more, so that way you are completely dominating them in that space, and that will help you rank well here in the search. Now we already covered content and citation. Last thing I want to cover is backlinks, and so that has a lot to do with this organic section down here. And as you see, Yelp are here, the expertise, then what do we say, the home advisors. These are a lot of big national companies that are taking up the top of the page. Way backlinks work, all it means is that there is a website out there that has a link to your website, and that link to your website could potentially bring some traffic from that other website. So backlinks are not always created equal. If you have, for example, an ice cream shop that had sent you a link and you did some work for them and you did a good job and they send you a link, but their whole websites, it's all about ice cream shop and ice cream stuff, it's not gonna do it as much good for you as, let's say, another HVAC company. A lot more effective when you have a relative site linking to you. That's gonna be a little bit more powerful because it's more unique and relevant to your industry. So looking at one of these tool I have here, it's called HVAC. It's not 100% accurate, but it's one of these companies that buys data from Google, and so it gives me an idea of what's working well for you and what's working well for your competition as well. As I see here, you have 5 referring domains. That brings you 21 backlinks, and you are getting found for 38 keywords, and out of those keywords you have 2 people on average on your site each month. As I said, it's not the 100% accurate, but just to you have the picture, I'll show you one of the competitors here. Look, they have 826 referring domains that bring them 4,200 backlinks, and which is getting them found for 7,800 keywords, and out of those keywords they have more than 18,000 people on average on their site each month. So to boost these numbers, it's very doable, and we specialize in that. And so it's pretty much that's all I had. I hope this video has been educational for you. If you would like to know more about how NYC marketers can help you grow your business online, please give me a call and we can chat. If not, no worries, enjoy your free tips I've given today. If you could just give me some feedback on this video and let me know how I did. And thanks again, and have a great day.